Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I have my 2018 beauty favorites, and these are solely products that were released this year, 2018. So while I love other products too, if they were released before this year, they're just not in this video. This is new releases. Got some makeup, got some hair care, and got one skincare item because most of the skincare I am using has been released before. So let's just get to it. So I'm going to start off with the #1 thing that was released this year in beauty that's hands down probably my absolute favorite. It is a makeup item. If you've been following me, one, thank you. Two, you're probably going to guess what it is before I even show it, but it is the matte version of IT Cosmetics CC Cream. You guys know I love IT Cosmetics. They are amazing. Their products are always good, and I've been begging, hoping, crossing my fingers, and always putting it out to the universe for years and years to make a matte version of the CC Cream, and they finally did, and it is fantastic. It was released in July. I'll never forget when I found out it was actually coming. I was in a restaurant with my now husband, and I saw the preview on their Instagram, and I made a fool of myself. It was embarrassing, but I was just so excited about it. Love the blue on the packaging too. I do use the shade Fairlight, and it mattifies, SPF 40, physical only sunscreen. Not only does it have anti-aging ingredients in it, but it has anti-blemish ingredients in it as well. And I actually, since the weather has changed and we are in dead winter now, I rotate. I use this when it's more humid and I need more mattifying, or not when it's cold and dry. Like now, I do use the original CC Cream because it's a little more moisturizing, but this is moisturizing too. I rotate the two. They're probably my holy grail. If I could only use one foundation forever and ever, this would be it, because it's just so many things in one, this and the original. But yeah, #1 new release. I could dedicate a video to just continue to talk about that. I won't, because there's other amazing stuff here as well. So yeah, moving on. I have a hair product on my lap, so let's just get to this next. So this is by Original Moxie, and this is their Versatowel. This came out a few months ago, and I have just been loving this hair towel. It's really cool. It's like an infinity loop scarf, which you could totally wear it as, and it's a t-shirt material. It helps cut down the drying time. I notice when I use it that I have less frizz, and I like this is enough material that when I put it on, and I kind of have my hair placed now so that my front craziness doesn't move too much, so I'm not going to do it. When you put it on, you could twist it up. There's just enough that it holds all my hair in place, stays where it is. There's multiple ways to use it. I'll try to link stuff below. I'll do the products too, all the mentions, but really it's a really great hair towel that helps drying time, frizz, and it's been very beneficial, and I've been enjoying. And it comes in different colors. I got the blue one. So moving on, I have these lip glosses here, and these came out earlier in the year by Urban Decay, and these are called the High Shine lip glosses. Well, it says Hi-Fi Shine, and these are basically lip gloss perfection. I'm holding 3 of them. I have a couple more in my drawer. My friend Emily Wolf Beauty, if you don't know who she is, I'll link her below. Her tutorials are amazing, and she has 3 Dachshunds. Have to check her out. She's beautiful. She's really such a sweet person. Anyway, I digress. She sent me some of these earlier in the year, and they're just so good. I love them. You love a good lip gloss, and what I really like about these is that they're not sticky, they're not tacky. Some of them are more pigmented than others, and that's the way they're supposed to be. But the finish, there's different finishes, the shine, they're just lip gloss perfection. And I really like the flat Zofa applicator for application. And they're lip glosses, so they're not super long wearing. Most lip glosses aren't. And they have a really nice vanilla mint smell that I love. But I've been reaching for these on their own or over other lip products all year. And they're just really, really great. By the way, just for these colors, this is called SPL. This is like a light pink with shimmer. This one is called Candy Flip, and it doesn't look as purple on the skin. It's more sheer. I'll put this on over what I have. And then this is called Obsessed, and this is more of a solid pink. But I'll just show you this purple one real quick. What I have on now is going to be another product that I'll get to later. But see, it just goes on nice. Not sticky, not tacky, tastes delicious, and yeah. So moving on, this is from NuFace, and you guys may have seen, why can't I talk? I just did an updated 5-year review of my NuFace microcurrent microcurrent Trinity device. That's it, to help sculpt the face and tone the face. Love this. We'll post the link below. They redid that primer this year. The old primer had to be washed off, but this one, now you can leave it on. You don't have to worry about washing it off. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing, and I'm just really happy with it. I've actually noticed that my skin's been feeling more soft versus this one versus when I used to use the other one, that just the ingredients inside have to use something to conduct the microcurrent with the NuFace anyway, but they did a really good job of doing this. Love that it's in a huge bottle now with a pump, so that's always great, and definitely made the list for this year. I might as well show you the other lip product that I had on. This is another product by It Cosmetics, and this came out earlier in the year. It debuted in a Today's Special Value on QVC, and now we could get it alone as well. And this is the Je ne sais quoi, the Hydrating Lip Serum, I believe it's called. Yeah, I'm not going to see that print on that bottom of this. It's way too small. But this is the color I had on. I love, like, It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi lip color. It is a unique pink that it goes with your own body's pH and chemistry to be your own special color, your own special shade of pink that is flattering on every single skin tone. And this is the newest like formula that they did the color in. This is a hydrating lip serum. You twist it up. You could see that there were those 5 little I guess circles, for lack of a better word right now, and then the product just dispenses that way. I used one full one up. This is my second one because they last forever. Again, it's so moisturizing, the shine, love the color, and it helps to treat lip lines and any lip issues. I haven't had, knock on wood, I haven't had my lips be really chapped this winter yet, and they usually are so prone to chapping, and I think using this twice a day is probably contributing to that. But another great It Cosmetics lip product. So moving on, I have hair care here too. I guess let's talk more hair. So I have 2 or 3 products that I wanted to talk about, and this is by Pacifica Beauty, and Pacifica is a really nice, more natural line. You could get them at Ulta, you could get them on Pacifica's site. They have some products in Target, but they released some hair products for curls this year, and they were like mind-blowing. They are all silicone-free, so if you are strict to your curly girl method, that's great. The packaging is beautiful, but again, I don't buy products solely for the packaging, so you want them to work well in your hair. So it's called the Pineapple Curls, and this is the mask. This is the cream and also the conditioner. The conditioner, which I am currently out of and don't even have the bottle, is one of the best leave-in conditioners I've ever used. It was infused with hyaluronic acid. Again, just like this also has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that just holds over 1,000 times its weight in moisture and is extremely hydrating, moisturizing, and beneficial for the hair and the skin. But that is one of the best leave-in conditioners. The mask, you could use it weekly. It has a lot of moisturizing ingredients, has some protein in here, helps to strengthen the hair, helps to define the hair. Coconut, avocado, pineapple, and then the cream. I mean, I can't use creams as sole stylers on my wet hair because my hair likes a firm hold gel. This is day 2 hair, by the way, but this is a really nice cream for days old hair. I could use this under my gel for more definition if my hair is feeling dry, just to give it even more moisture on top of a leave-in alone. Really, really great and affordable stuff for curls, so definitely if you want to, check them out. Moving on. Curlsmith released some new products this year. The stand-up for me of everything that they did release is the Moisture Memory Reactivator, and this is a curl refreshing spray. It is a little more milkier and richer than most refreshing sprays, which is what I like about it, because my hair is super duper dry, super frizzy, super high porosity. It just cannot take enough moisture. It just needs more, and this does have it. Has slight weight to it, which I like, because if weight for me helps depuff my hair. I'm not someone that loves a whole bunch of volume. I know it's like most curly girls love volume, the bigger the better. Not me. So that weight helps to depuff my hair and stuff. What's this say? Refresh, soften, shine, revive, and also has heat and UV protections, which is really good in the summer when I'm outside more and the sun's out to protect it. There's avocado, aloe vera, sage, basil, apricot, resurrection flower, such great ingredients, and it's just a really great refreshing spray that helps it bounce back to my hair. My hair is soft, and it has that signature Curlsmith smell. They make really good stuff if you haven't tried them. So moving on, I need to take a sip of water. Hold on. If you guys never watched me before, I don't edit my videos. I just shoot them one time straight through. That's it. Sometimes I get thirsty. Happens from talking a lot, I suppose. Let's move on. So, I have 2 products from Briogeo, which is one of my all-time favorite hair care brands that were released this year. Again, this is another brand that released a few products this year, and I really liked most, like all of them, but I just picked my top 2. So the first one, which was released back in, I think, January or February, this is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And their original Don't Despair Repair Mask, if you follow me, again, thank you. You know I talk about that mask all the time. It's my favorite mask. So good. They made a leave-in version of it, and I've gone through countless cans of this. I will say I do use it up rather quickly, but the benefits I see make it worth it. I will also say that it is a leave-in conditioner, but because it is in a spray, it is not heavy enough for my personal liking, so I always do have to use a cream leave-in on top of it. but it just helps give my hair extra strength and protection that when I didn't use it for a couple months, and I noticed a difference as soon as I went back to it, I was like, why did I stop using this? But real quick, like the rest of Briogeo, there's no sulfates, silicones, parabens, all great ingredients inside. It says it has a unique argan oil microencapsulation technology inside to repair, damage, and split ends, leaving hair stronger, softer, healthier, and hydrated. And the way I love the mask, I just want this bright in always. I'll even use it sometimes on days old hair just to get the ingredients back in there, but it does work best on wet hair. So we got that. Close, there we go. And then we have the Briogeo Curl Charisma Chia and Flaxseed Coil Custard, which holy grail status, probably one of my favorite things of this whole video of this year. This is my current favorite styler for second or third day hair. I used it today. This is second day hair. I used a refresher spray, went in with this, and then I used a little of Briogeo's Rosarco oil, which did not come out this year. I think it was it wasn't one of the first 4 products, but after that, the next 3 products they released, it wasn't that released. It was released years ago. Anyway, this Curl Charisma Custard is so good. I love it for days old hair. It's not enough hold for me for wet hair alone because, again, I like a firm hold gel. Briogeo, please make a firm hold gel. That would be really great. But you could use it under gel. But this is thick, it's rich, it's creamy. It has conditioning benefits of flaxseed, shea butter, chia seeds, and has rice amino acid. It leaves even the driest of hair soft and subtle while enhancing definition and providing flexible styling control. I like it because, again, I like stuff with a little weight on my days old hair, so it helps calm down the puff, helps re-moisturize, helps give bounce back to the curls. I feel like it's really like helping to improve my hair too, just the way like it looks, the health of it, and it's really thick. This is my 3rd jar of this stuff, and this is halfway done. A little goes a long way. It will not go anywhere. It is so rich. If you do have really fine hair, they also make a leave-in conditioner, which I would say try that for the Curl Charisma because this is really rich and thick. But if you do have super duper dry, high porosity hair, you have to try this. It's amazing. By the way, I do have a Briogeo discount in the description box. I don't get a dime off it. They give me points to the site, but you save money, so who doesn't want to save money, right? Moving on. The skincare product I have here by Drunk Elephant, which I've just been obsessing over their skincare line as a whole, but this was released this year, so I can include this. This is the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum, and this is like a liquid bronzer, but I didn't even get it really for the bronzing at first. I got it because it says anti-pollution on it, and like I live right outside Manhattan, New York, so I live in a polluted area, and anything to help protect my skin from the environment and the pollution I'm all about. There's vitamin D in here, there's antioxidants, there's omega fatty acids, which your skin needs, but it does have such a nice glow. I take not even a half a pump every day, and I mix it with my moisturizer, and I smooth it on my skin before makeup, and there have been days where like my skin looked good before even putting foundation on. There have been days I've just used concealer and powder, and I've been able to skip my full foundation with it. Not that I really do, because then I use my It Cosmetics CC cream and I like the skincare benefits, but if I wanted to I could, but I just really like the benefits and the glow. It gives me a warm glow. It doesn't give me that like orange looking tan. I went through a phase years ago where I used way too much self tanner and bronzer. Look back on my YouTube videos, you could see it. It was terrible, but it's like a natural looking glow and no glitter, no shimmer. Really nice product. So moving on. Another skincare item, and this is by Wander Beauty. This is their Extended Stay Hydrating Mask, and this thing was like life-changing. I never used a hydrating mask before finding this. Didn't think I needed it because I have combination acne-prone skin. Everybody needs hydration. Everyone needs moisture in their face, especially if you are using like anti-acne products like I do that could be drying, but this has antioxidants in it. This protects the skin from environmental damage. You go to sleep with this on. That's how I actually like to use it, twice a week. Instead of using my moisturizer, I'll put a nice layer of this all over my face. I'll sleep, put this on, you'll wake up and your skin will just look better, more even tone. My pores is smaller. It's one of those things you just have to try it. It's just so good. Even like the like wrinkles that I have, not that I have a lot of wrinkles, but like I have the marionette lines around my eyes too, like they look lessened, especially when you use this consistently. And this actually saved my skin before my wedding because I was using even heavier like clinical dermatologist acne products that started causing my skin to flake, and this like helped save it. So amazing, love it. Have an extra tube of it because I don't want to be without it. So yeah, so moving on, I have more lipsticks, and these were by Colourpop. Colourpop is such an affordable makeup brand, and they released their bullet lipsticks this year, and bullet lipsticks are my favorite type of lipsticks to wear because of the ease of application, and they're just really good. They're affordable, they're pigmented, they stay on your lips all day, they don't really feel drying or anything. There's a bunch of colors. I like that the original ones have stars on them. This color is called Afterglow, and I have a few of them. I just grabbed some out. This is one they just did a Disney princess collection, and this is called Cinderella, and this is like such a perfect shade of pink. But yeah, really affordable, great, cruelty-free bullet lipsticks that were released this year. Next we have Olaplex number 4 and number 5, the shampoo and conditioner. I did a first impressions of this a couple months ago. I've still been using them religiously. I love them. You know, I love the Olaplex number 3, the treatment for damaged hair. I use number 1 and 2 once a month. The shampoo and conditioner have been great. I used them yesterday, actually, when I washed my hair. I used the shampoo, and then I used this mixed with that Briogeo Don't Berry Pear Mask I was talking about. They're so good, and I've been using them a lot, and you need so little. Like, this is how much of the shampoo is left. And then the conditioner, I've used this many times, and I still have half because it's just so rich. Helps the overall health of my hair. They do have silicones inside, but they are water-soluble silicones, and you know what? They're working for my hair, so I guess we could say I'm mod curly girl now, like modified, not full strict, because I'm going to use what I think makes my hair look healthier. And I've been reading a lot, like high porosity hair, like hair that's just like really, really dry, may actually benefit from some water-soluble silicones, and this isn't what I'm saying, this is what I read, so I don't know, it seems to be working for me. So I say, like, there are a lot of people with the curly girl method that is like, strict, follow this, don't do this, if you do this, you're bad. Like, guys, no, it's your hair. If you find a product with silicones in it and it makes your hair look good and feel good about yourself, that's what you use. That's what makes you happy. Don't let anyone shame you or make you feel differently. That's my opinion, but, you know, loving these. I'll post my other review if you want to see it too. Got 2 more products, 2 more makeup products. So I have another product by Wonder Beauty, and this is their Chill palette. And I love this palette, but I just love that they came out with powder foundations, because, not foundations, powdered eyeshadows rather, because their eyeshadow formula is so smooth and silky. They blend really nice. They have extracts in it to help your eyelids. They last all day. I mean, these colors, this is my favorite palette because of the colors. I love this pink over here, this light shade. There's so many ways to use it, but just a fantastic eyeshadow formula, and I like that it's cute and you could take it with you. Last but not least, and I do feel bad because I think of everything on here, this is the only limited edition item. Actually, no, the Cinderella Colourpop is limited edition too, but this might be the only thing you're unable to still find around, but has to be said because it's mind-blowing. So this is It Girl Beauty Book by It Cosmetics. This was the 2018 version that I did a video on. Makeup palette perfection. All you need besides this is your mascara, your foundation, you're good to go. This has everything in it, and this was on QVC for the holidays, but you know, check itcosmetics.com because last year's book wound up on .com a few months later. But you have powder, you have bronzer, you have concealer, you have lipsticks, you have blush, you have highlighter, you have eyeshadows, you have eyeliner, you even have a brow product in here. It's everything in one. All of the normal formulas, they weren't watered down for holiday, and so easy to take with you. Great colors, great formulas, amazing. So obviously this had to be on my list too. So yeah. That's it. Wow, this is long. This is only 20 minutes. So those are my favorites of 2018. Hopefully you like this. If you did, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. That will be awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.